Hi there, and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a security PIN code inside the Trip.com app on your Android phone. This helps protect your account and personal details. Follow each step carefully, and you'll secure your app in just a few minutes. First, open the Trip.com app on your Android device. Make sure you're in the Account section. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and find the option labeled Security PIN Code. Tap it. Now, enter your new 6-digit PIN code. Choose something secure that you can remember. Next, you'll be asked to enter the same 6-digit PIN again to confirm. Once confirmed, Trip.com will send a verification code to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, copy the code, then return to the Trip.com app. Finally, paste or type the code into the verification field to complete the process. That's all it takes to set up a security PIN in the Trip.com app. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful mobile app guides. Stay safe.